Hosted by US President Donald Trump inside the White House has come under scrutiny after at least 7 of the guests at that event have tested positive for COVID-19. The reception was held after the nomination ceremony of Judge Amy Coney Barrett. This was on the 26th of September. Interestingly, Trump's communications director, Hope Hicks, did not attend the event. Remember, the US president underwent a COVID-19 test after Hicks had tested positive on the 2nd of October. In our next report, we take a closer look at the images from that White House reception accessed by the New York Times. Take a look.
At least 7 people who attended a prominent White House ceremony have now tested positive for coronavirus, including the US President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump. Now, there is quite a lot of scrutiny on this White House event, which was incidentally the nomination of Judge Amy Coney Barrett, and several experts are calling it a super spreader event. Now, the New York Times has released some images from inside the Rose Garden ceremony, which give us more insights. Let's take a look. So this is the New York Times article which gives us a glimpse inside the White House event, which is now coming under scrutiny and is being billed as a super spreader event due to lack of social distancing norms and any kind of precautions like face masks worn by the guests. Several other images that have been released by the New York Times show the guests mingling with each other without following any social distancing, standing in close proximity to each other without wearing any face mask at a time when the United States has recorded the most number of coronavirus cases anywhere in the world and is currently the worst affected from the outbreak. We can see several more images released by the New York Times that show once again the guests standing in close proximity of each other. This was a ceremony for nominating Judge Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court seat. We can also see Attorney General William Barr along with Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett standing and talking to each other. None of them, as we can see from the images, are wearing a face mask. It is still not clear when exactly the attendees who later tested positive were infected, and the White House has said that all guests who tested negative for the virus were tested negative for the virus before the event. Still, experts say that it can take several days after exposure for the virus to be detected by a test. And this White House gathering was far from the only one this week in which Donald Trump was in close quarters with families and other members of his staff. And these images give us an insight into how the infection could have spread across the White House staff. With camera person Kapil Kumar, Priyanka Sharma Pawa for WION, World is One.